Looking for the best indoor electric grill in 2026 without overpaying? Right now on Amazon, some of the best-selling electric grills are on big flash deals, but not all of them are worth it. In this video, I ranked 6 top indoor grills based on real sales data, features, performance, and value. Watch till the end to see which grill truly wins. Our sixth product is the T-Fal OptiGrill Stainless Steel XL, one of the smartest indoor electric grills you can buy right now. Its precision sensor technology automatically adjusts cooking time based on food thickness. With 9 smart cooking programs, it delivers perfect results for burgers, chicken, fish, and sandwiches. The XL surface cooks up to 6 to 8 servings at once with less smoke and up to 44% less fat. Right now, it's on a 31% flash deal, dropping from $289.99 to $199 to $199. The link is in the description below. Our fifth product is the Foodi Smart XL Grill and Air Fryer, a premium all-in-one indoor grill designed for families and serious home cooks. With cyclonic grilling technology at 500 FF, it delivers real BBQ flavor and perfect sear marks indoors. The Smart Cook system with built-in thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking every meal. Its XL capacity handles steaks, burgers, and sides all at once with up to 75% less fat when air frying. Right now, it's on a 36% flash deal, dropping from $439.99 to $279. The link is in the description below. Our fourth product is the Dash Mini Maker Grill, a compact and budget-friendly option perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or quick meals. It features a 4-inch non-stick cooking surface that heats evenly and cleans up fast. With one-step operation, it's incredibly easy to use for burgers, paninis, breakfast, and snacks. Lightweight, space-saving, and beginner-friendly, it's ideal for everyday cooking. Right now, it's on a 41% flash deal, dropping from $21.99 to just $12.99. The link is in the description below. Our third product is the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, a great choice if you want real outdoor grill flavor without going outside. It reaches up to 450 FF, sealing in juices and flavor for steaks, burgers, fish, and more. The PFAS-free nonstick grill plate is removable and dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless. With adjustable temperature control and an extra-large drip tray, cooking stays clean and precise. Right now, it's on a 45% flash deal, dropping from $144.99 to just $79.95. The link is in the description below. Our second product is the George Foreman 4-serving electric grill, a classic Amazon bestseller known for its simplicity and reliability. It features the advanced George Tough nonstick coating, which is 3 times more durable and lets you cook without butter or oil. With 35% faster heating and removable dishwasher-safe grill plates, it's perfect for quick, mess-free meals. Designed to cook up to 4 servings at once, it's ideal for everyday home use. Right now, it's on a 50% flash deal, dropping from $83.99 to just $41.99. The link is in the description below. Our first product is the Foodi Smart XL 6-in-1 Indoor Grill, one of the best-selling and most trusted indoor grills on Amazon. It features the Smart Cook system with a built-in thermometer, so you can cook everything perfectly from rare to well done with zero guesswork. With cyclonic grilling technology reaching 500 forf, it delivers real grill marks and bold flavor while also air frying with up to 75% less fat. Right now, it's on a 55% flash deal, dropping from $334.99 to just $149.90. The link is in the description below.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.